Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. As the world grapples with the pressing need to mitigate climate change, the industrial sector is experiencing a profound transformation towards sustainability. This is especially crucial for the cement industry, a significant contributor to global CO2 emissions, responsible for about 7% of the total. Within this context, we delve into carbon capture technologies, the innovative use of captured CO2 in algae biofuel production, and the game-changing potential of green hydrogen. Tackling emissions through carbon capture. Carbon emissions are an inescapable byproduct of cement production, occurring during both the calcination process and fuel combustion. Consequently, carbon capture technologies have become a vital area of exploration and implementation. One pioneering example is the collaboration between LafargeHolcim, a global leader in building materials and solutions, and Carbon Clean, a leader in low-cost CO2 capture technology. Their joint project in Colorado, USA, exemplifies the large-scale application of carbon capture. They aim to capture 725,000 tons of CO2 annually, diverting it from the atmosphere and channeling it into other productive uses. This ambitious initiative, while subject to various influencing factors like technology advancement, policy environment, and market dynamics, provides a glimpse into the immense potential of carbon capture within the cement industry. Turning CO2 into fuel, algae biofuel production. A novel solution has emerged in the form of algae biofuel production. Algae, through the process of photosynthesis, can convert sunlight, CO2, and water into oxygen and biomass. The resulting biomass is lipid-rich, providing a valuable resource for the production of biofuels, such as biodiesel. A landmark case study in this area involves the research collaboration between ExxonMobil and Synthetic Genomics. Their breakthrough announcement in 2017 detailed the successful genetic modification of an algae strain, enhancing its lipid production by up to 40%. While not directly involving CO2 from the cement industry, this promising development highlights the potential for more efficient biofuel production from algae. Stepping into the future with green hydrogen. Green hydrogen, generated through electrolysis powered by renewable energy sources, represents a key player in the future low-carbon energy ecosystem. The cement industry can benefit substantially from this renewable resource. Green hydrogen's byproduct, oxygen, could serve to enhance the carbon capture process in cement production. This enhancement is realized through oxy-fuel combustion, a method where fuel is burned in pure oxygen, leading to a flue gas primarily composed of CO2 and water vapor, thus simplifying the carbon capture process. Further, green hydrogen offers an environmentally friendly alternative to the fossil fuels currently used in cement production, tackling both combustion and process emissions. It also holds potential in the algae cultivation process, powering essential equipment like pumps and mixers. Moreover, green hydrogen can facilitate the conversion of algae biomass into biofuel. The road ahead, crafting a sustainability roadmap. By integrating carbon capture, algae biofuel production, and green hydrogen into their operations, cement industries can develop a comprehensive sustainability roadmap. Challenges undoubtedly lie ahead, including the need to scale up green hydrogen production, lower its costs, and improve the efficiency and economic viability of algae biofuel production. However, the path forward is not without hope. With persistent research and technological innovation, cooperation across sectors, and supportive policies and incentives, these hurdles can be addressed. The journey towards a sustainable cement industry may be complex, but it is both necessary and achievable. Pioneering solutions such as carbon capture, algae biofuels, and green hydrogen are already illuminating the path forward. Creating a sustainable blueprint. Concluding remarks. While the road to a sustainable cement industry is complex, the hurdles encountered are not insurmountable. By focusing on carbon capture technologies, the utilization of captured CO2 in algae biofuel production, and the incorporation of green hydrogen, a feasible and impactful sustainability roadmap can be achieved. To ensure the success of these strategies, it is critical to foster an environment conducive to research and technological development, cross-sector collaborations, and robust policy support. Furthermore, sustainable initiatives should not be perceived as a burden but rather as an opportunity. Transitioning to a more sustainable model can offer long-term cost savings, improve the industry's public image, and contribute to global efforts in mitigating climate change. The cement industry's transformation towards a sustainable future is not just a mere possibility but an essential and urgent obligation. The challenge is complex, but with the concerted effort and use of innovative solutions like carbon capture, algae biofuels, and green hydrogen, a sustainable cement industry can become a reality. As we advance towards this goal, it becomes evident that sustainability is not just about preserving the planet for future generations. It's also about creating efficient, resilient, and thriving industries that can stand the test of time and continue to contribute to global development in a responsible and sustainable manner. And with this, we conclude our deep dive into the cement industry's transformative journey towards sustainability. We hope this analysis has offered you valuable insights and sparked ideas for sustainable change within your own context, whether industrial, commercial, or personal. Remember, every step towards sustainability counts and can have far-reaching positive impacts. Here's to a greener, cleaner, and sustainable future. Thank you for choosing RenewEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at RenewEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.